When individual life happening is matching with statement by gurus and Purans about Kalki or Kalki Avatar future predictions. He was reading in the internet about Kalki Avatar, so a lot of people have given a lot of opinions. Also, some Puranas has also given a lot of information about it. And he thinks, I'm hoping Purana are also intuition of the writer of the Puran. It quite seems to be all are not true completely, but if you combine what people saying, one point from one source and another from other source, then you can draw a clear picture about the Kalki Avatar. You can't blame people who gave opinions, because whoever have given opinion, they must get some intuition about this, for which they wrote it. Imagine if these people will get all correct. What will happen to Kalki? Before Kalki knows about himself, people in this Kali age will be knowing about him also. And the situation will reach in such place. You will see thousands of people in front of his house. We all created by God. Do you think God is so stupid to give his future for detail all incorrect? He is so clever, he will confuse us all. So we will not understand him, we will not identify him, but at some point, we will certainly feel his presence. So the reason why you are seeing a lot of different opinions, this is also correct that whoever got the writing, he must have got some intuition, same as me. So don't blame me on any of the writer topics you are reading on Kalki Avatar. Here is my view. If you have interest on this topic, you can read. If not, my request, just think it as junk and skip it. Sorry to say, those who want to know more, I don't have permission to write more than what I have written here in this topic. Indeed, there will be Kalki Avatar work will be performed in this world. I have a fact which some point matching with different people's opinion about Kalki Avatar. I'm not sure whether the fact I have is indeed what we are looking for or not. Let's start. He has already taken birth. He is now in process of learning the cause of his birth. He is just more normal than a human. He was not aware about his cause of birth after 1st January 2005. When he started realizing some power coming to his operational country house while doing his regular prayer in the morning and started telling him about the cause. The power started telling him about the cause, the plan of his birth and all other details. He starts feeling different power presence when starts paying different gods and goddesses. It's like one will come once his mantra starts and he she will start telling about his part. Once mantra ends, he she will go. He knew his changes, but the force was so heavy. He was out from normal while praying. He was scared and could not understand. He got different smell in his house. He felt like someone is always guarding him. He could not able to confirm this to anyone. At some point he used to get fear. You go and ask Ram Krishna. They will confirm you what is happening with you. Neither no one else will be knowing about this. He is slowly involved into knowing about his cause of birth. He is as exactly confused like you. He has been told about lots of things, for which he was completely confused and frustrated initially, as he was just like all. But slowly afterwards, he is in process of understanding his duty and his cause of birth. He is not sure what has been told to him is going to be true or another player God using him. If it is going to be true, you can say this is also one game of him for himself, which is he himself thinking at one point, but changing this thinking some other point. Whatever he understands so far, let me tell